A warming world. Earth on a fever.
Good day to my respected judges, teachers and my dear friends. My name is JAYANE MUGESH from Sekolah Jenis Kebangsaan Taman AMINAH Sekolah Johor. Today I'm going to talk about something very serious, something that affects every single one of us. Today's special report is titled A Warming Earth, Earth on a Fever. In simple words, it's called global warming. Around our planet, there are gases in the atmosphere. Some of these gases, like carbon dioxide, traps heat from the sun. This process is called greenhouse effect. Normally, it's a good thing. But today, because of human activities, too much heat is being trapped. So the temperature keeps rising. Studies show that the global average temperature has increased steady from the 1980s until today. This proves that Earth's temperature is rising continuously. Now, the big question, why is this happening? Scientists say the main cause is human activity. First, burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil and gas for electricity, factories and vehicles release carbon dioxide. Second, deforestation. Trees normally absorb carbon dioxide, but when the forests are cut down for farming and buildings, fewer trees are left to clean the air. Third, industrial activities. Many factories release greenhouse gases, some even stronger than carbon dioxide. And finally, transportation. Cars, buses, airplanes and ships burn fuels, produce harmful emissions. All these activities increase greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, causing the Earth's temperature to rise like the planet has a fever. Now, let's look at the effects of global warming. What happens when the Earth gets too hot? First, rising temperatures. Many countries are experiencing hotter weathers than strong heat waves, which can cause health problems. Second, ice melting. In polar regions, glaciers and ice sheets are melting quickly. This causes sea levels to rise, which can lead to flooding in coastal areas and home puts and communities at risk. Other effects in extreme weather. Global warming can cause strong storms, longer droughts and heavier floods, making weather more unpredictable. Finally, wildlife is in danger. Many animals are losing their natural habitats. For example, polar animals depend on sea ice to survive. If Earth's fever keeps rising, life will be more difficult for humans and animals. Solutions to cool our planet. So how can we reduce Earth's fever? First, plant more trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the air, helping us to cool the planet. Second, use eco-friendly transportation. Walking, cycling, carpooling or using public transportation can reduce the amount of fuel we burn. Another important step is to save electricity. Turning off lights, fans and other devices when not in use helps us to reduce the energy and consumption. We also reduce, reuse and recycle. Producing less waste means less pollution and less energy used in manufacturing. Finally, spreading awareness is key. When more people understand the problem, more people will take action. Small actions from millions of people can help protect and reduce Earth's fever. In today's report, we also look at the smart solution called Smart Energy Guardian. This invention helps system monitor and reduce electricity usage, especially in places, classrooms and school. First, it provides energy alerts. This system notifies users when lights or conditioners are accidentally left on. Next, it offers real-time data, showing the current energy consumptions instantly. This allows users to understand how much electricity is being used at the moment. Finally, it also includes tracking, which monitors electricity usage over time. This helps school organizations manage energy and more efficiently. With smart technology like this, saving electricity become more easier, helping reduce emissions and protect our planet. What students can do? Experts say students can also play an important role in protecting our planet. One simple action is turning off the light when they are not in use. This helps to reduce unnecessary electricity consumption. Students also can use reusable water bottle instead of use plastic water bottles, helping to reduce waste pollution. Another important step is to save electricity at home by switching off fans, lights and other devices when they are not in need. Finally, students can spread awareness by sharing knowledge about the global warming with their family and friends. These small daily actions may seem simple, but many students work together. They make a big difference in protecting our planet. Finally, a reminder for everyone watching. If you have a fever, you would take your medicine and rest. You wouldn't ignore it, right? So why should we ignore Earth's fever? Our planet gives us air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat, and a home to live in. And remember, we only have one planet. There's no planet B. The future of Earth depends on the choice we make today. So let us protect our planet. Let us work together to cool Earth's fever. Let us be the generation that takes action and cares about the world. Because when Earth is healthy, we are healthy. Thank you.